Still in St. Catherine, BnB's could come under tighter scrutiny as the police increase efforts to make communities safer from criminals. It was one of the suggestions made by head of the St. Catherine South Police Division, Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, as he attended the relaunch of the Garvey Mead Neighborhood Watch recently. Krista Campbell has our story.
No sooner had the St. Catherine South Police, councillor and residents relaunched the Garvey Mead Neighborhood Watch than a woman was shot in the usually quiet Portmore community on the weekend. In recent times, there has been a string of robberies and murders in the area, and the police are concerned that certain places are used as a cover for criminal activities.
In some of our communities now, we have big businesses with the Airbnb activities. In fact, I was looking online earlier, and one advertisement says, escape to a home from home. But whilst you encourage people to escape, you must be mindful that there are some criminals escaping from the police and heading straight into your communities and putting your communities at risk. Maybe we might need some time to look on how we regulate this kind of business in the interests of community safety.
Residents have been commended for taking steps to help keep watch over their community as criminals continue to wreak havoc in other areas in the parish.
The greatest deterrent to a crime is the threat that you will be caught and the threat that you will be effectively punished. And so you play a greater role in raising the specter of being caught and ultimately punished.
And while condemning those who choose to record persons in trouble before helping them, the police are encouraging residents to use their smart devices to help them fight crime.
Mark my words, if there is something scandalous taking place, somebody have it on video. But yet still, when the investigator is on the ground trying to see, did someone see something? All of a sudden, nobody have no video?
And with increasing calls for more closed-circuit cameras, CCTVs, to be used to fight crime, the police want the powers that be to
make it easier for people to purchase CCTV footage, to make it easier, whether it be by changing maybe how we tax the technology coming in so that people can buy the CCTV at as low a cost as possible, install it in their shops and in their homes, around their homes, so that maybe the extra camera that you put up is the camera that becomes the deterrent to a crime, or the camera that captures that activity that brings justice to someone.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.